This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noragon.com to learn more.
Jason went to a concert last night. I think his eardrums are, still recovering. That part you ordered came in.
I'm not going to a party.
The part you ordered came in.
Finn. Who's Finn?
No, the part you ordered yesterday, it's downstairs.
I'm not going there.
The part you ordered came in, it's downstairs.
I'm not eating that. Sorry.
He really should start taking his earplugs to these concerts. I mean, he is getting to that age.
What? What? You were saying something.
Nothing. I'll go get it.
Are you going downstairs? Can you get that part we need? Hi everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I am Jason.
And I'm Tess. If both medium and heavy duty trucks are rolling into your bays on the regular, you've probably seen a difference in the way the data is collected. Switching between different scan tools and service information can lead to a breakdown in communication. It takes the right type of equipment to get the information and data points you need to make the correct fix. Without it, the repair process can turn into a lot of guesswork and assumptions.
When it comes to heavy duty data, it can almost feel like you're receiving too much sometimes. But with light duty, it's actually quite the opposite, and your trucks will stay quiet until you ask for the data directly. Getting information for, say, service vans or parts trucks running around requires a request.
Now, what you do with the said data, completely up to you. But the first and most important step is understanding how your light and medium duty vehicles communicate differently than the typical Class 8 truck you service. The fundamental differences and how these systems talk and listen are important to recognize if you want to receive actionable instruction and desired results.
So what are the biggest ways that light duty and medium duty truck diagnostics communicate differently than Class 8 tractors?
Well, I don't have that answer, but I think I know someone who does.
From a communications perspective, the medium duty landscape typically relates closer to light duty style architectures and integration compared to what you might find on the heavy duty side. OEMs building heavy duty vehicles typically need to allow for greater configurability of vehicle components. And this requires the need for a more open, generic type of communications architecture like 1939. Medium-duty vehicles typically don't have the same level of flexible configuration requirements. That's not to say there isn't flexible configuration in the medium-duty space, it's just simply less prevalent compared to the needs of the heavy-duty industry. And because of this, medium-duty OEMs typically build fixed, tightly integrated components. And so their communications architecture may be of their own design. And this means that medium-duty vehicles may limit or not at all use a generic type of communications architecture like 1939. Communicating with these vehicles usually requires knowing exactly how to talk to them in their language to get them to do things. This usually means adapters and cables and software must be more specialized to interface with every component on a medium-duty type of vehicle. This contrasts with the heavy-duty industry, where J1939 is the common language spoken by many ECUs on the vehicle. And this allows for a greater overall vehicle configurability, since the number of aftermarket vehicle configurations that you use in 1939 is very extensive.
This makes for an effective repair at minimal downtime so the trucks can get back on the road. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.